Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by assessing the rubber-coated screw and gathering the right tools. Make sure you have pliers, a heat gun, solvent, a small drill, and an extractor. You want to stabilize the part and clear loose rubber so you can see the head. Once done, heat briefly to soften rubber and adhesive. Do not overheat the substrate. Next, use a flat pick to lift rubber from the slot. This exposes metal and gives you purchase for the next step. You'll now focus on exposing and engaging the screw properly. After softening rubber and applying solvent, clear the head so a tool can bite. If the head is intact, grab with locking pliers and turn slowly. If stripped, drill a centered pilot hole and use a correctly sized extractor. Make slow, steady counterclockwise turns, apply penetrating lubricant, and tap the extractor gently to break adhesion. If resistance is high, back off and reapply heat or solvent. Patience prevents damaging the workpiece. You finish by cleaning the hole and inspecting threads. Remove rubber residue with solvent and a brush, then dry. If threads are good, fit a replacement screw. If damaged, tap the hole or install a helicoil for a durable repair. Make sure torque values match the original specification. If extraction failed and the head is gone, try a left-hand drill bit to catch the screw, or, as a last resort, fill the hole with quick-setting epoxy and insert a hardened pin to back out later. This can save the workpiece.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.